How's it going? I'm Ryan. Today I'm going over the two trades I took on ES. Both were shorts. One was a win, one was a loss. The loss was just with a single contract. But we'll cover both of those trades in just a second and why I traded ES and not NQ as I usually do. So let's go over it. All-time highs. We opened above Friday's range. That is true for both ES and NQ. And we were within pre-market range, obviously, as we hadn't opened to get out of that range. So right out of the gate on both ES and NQ, we dropped and came down and retested Friday's high. We did that on both. But then on ES, we came up, and then after kind of bouncing around Friday's high, we came up and retested pre-market low after breaking it. Whereas we did not get that on NQ immediately. But on ES, as you can see here, we came up and we retested. We also had that 13 EMA. So EMAs were bearish. Price action was breaking below a critical level, coming up and retesting. And I entered short. I entered short 10 contracts, and I targeted low a day for my first trim, and then left a runner for potential continuation. We came down, we stopped, or not stopped, but we hit my take profit on that first trim for about $200. And then we had a bounce back up that stopped me out on my runner for break even. So I moved my stop on my runner to break even, was trying to get a longer move down, but you can see this kind of consolidation that we've been in this morning is pretty gross. Looks like maybe we're getting some sort of continuation here, maybe. Let's see. But yeah, I got stopped out on the runner, and then we did set a new low, and then we kind of chopped around for a bit. So, like I said, the reason I took it on ES and not NQ is just ES came up and retested this level that I was watching, whereas NQ didn't quite. So ES just gave me a little bit better of a signal. My stop loss was a break above the EMA, so my stop was about 2 points. My take profit was about 4, so about a 2-to-1 there. And now we're getting some movement. Yeah, small little win, nothing crazy. Still trying to figure out probably position sizing on ES, understand how it moves and how I can capitalize on it. And then my second trade was the same thing. So we'd kind of been consolidating. Then we had a high volume down candle, kind of looking like it's breaking out of this range. I guess we didn't quite. Then when we came up and retested Friday's high / that 13 EMA, I took a short in here, and then was stopped out when this moved up. So once again, just like a 2-point stop, just to break above that EMA, targeting low a day, which was about a 5-point, so maybe like a 2-to-1 risk to reward there. And that one was stopped out. But that was a single contract. That was an $11 loss, whatever. We're up 181 after the fees and the single win, single loss. So under 200 on the day. Slow, but it's a no news Monday, and you can kind of see the chop that we had. So avoiding that, could have saved me $11, but I at least got a little bit of move in the morning before we ended up just moving sideways completely. Oh, excuse me. But that's it. The accounts are sitting just at 2K in profit, and we need to make that final 1K. And we can activate these and move on with this other PA that I've just had patiently waiting. So that's the goal. I could trade bigger size. I could try to, get these 2 PA faster. I'm probably smart, so I avoid another monthly recurring fee. But if I blow them, I'm just gonna have to pay another starting fee anyway. So what's the difference, right? Yeah, I'm just trying to practice taking good trades, managing my risk, managing my size, and just trading as I would if these were funded, if these were live. So I don't mind if I go a little slower, if I can get in the reps of trading how I should be. That's all I got. I hope you have a great day. Peace.